You are presently looking at Lesson 6, Distributive Properties using negative and positive numbers. Simplifying pre-algebraic expressions. Remember the rules. They're right here about multiplying and subtracting negative and positive numbers. Now you'll notice what we've provided for you, only 4 problems because it'll take you a while to do each one. But we also have provided for you 2 examples to make sure you understand how they work. Let's look at example A first. Negative 4x plus 4 times 5x minus 19 equals 68. The next step we do is simply bring down the negative 4x plus 20x, because 4 times 5 is 20x, and 4 times 19 is negative 76 equals 68. Okay, negative 4x plus 20x is going to be 16x minus 76 equals 68. 16x equals 144, because you have to add 76 to this side, and we add 76 to that side, and now we divide by 16, so x equals 9. Looking at example B, we have 6x minus 2 times the quantity negative 5x plus 16 equals negative 224. The next step, 6x plus 10x. The reason you have a 10x is negative 2 times a negative 5 is a positive. So we have 10x minus 32, because a negative times a positive is negative 32, equals 224. Now, since we add plus 6 and 10 is 16x minus 32 equals negative 224. 16x equals negative 192, because we add 32 to this side, we must add 32 to this side. And we have negative 192 divided by 16 is negative 12. Now, if you would, please pause your video, complete the rest of the lessons, 4 of them, and then continue playing the video, and we will provide you with the answers. If you would, please pause the video now. Thank you. Okay, let's see how well we did. Now, number 1, we have 6x minus 2 times 5x minus 14 equals negative 16. So let's do the first row here. 6x, bring it down, minus 10x, because negative 2 times 5 is 10x, plus 2 times 14 is 28 equals negative 16. Then we have 6x and 10x, negative 10x, positive and a negative, you're going to end up with a negative 4x plus 28 equals negative 16. Okay, so on this side, we're going to have to subtract 28 from one side and add or have negative 28 to the other side. So that makes it negative 44. So negative 4x equals negative 4x, negative, negative. 4 goes into 44 11 times. So we end up with a positive. Let's look at this one. Now, here we have 2x plus 5 times 7x plus 12 equals negative 125. Okay, the first row, bring the 2x down, plus 5 times 7 is 35x, 5 times 12 is 60, equals negative 25. All right, let's simplify this more. Here we have 2x plus 35x is equal to 37x plus 60 equals negative 125. 37x equals negative 185. How do we get that? Well, you subtract 60 or negative 60 here, and you have negative 60 here. 60 and 25 is negative 185. Then you're going to divide, right, 37 to negative 185, so x equals negative 5. Let's look at number 3. Let me slide this down just a little bit. Okay, number 3. Here we have 5x plus 3 times negative 4x plus 15 equals 10. Okay, bring this down. 5x minus 12x. How do we get 12x? Well, positive 3 times a negative. 3 times 4 is negative 12x. And 3 times 15 is 45 equals 10. Then, to simplify this even further, 5x plus 12x, right? A positive 5x plus a negative 12x is negative 7x. Plus 45 equals 10. And simplified, we're going to take the 45 and subtract negative 45 and add it over here to the positive. So negative 45 plus a positive 10 is negative 35. 7x goes into 35, negative 35, 5 times. Negative into a negative, right? So x equals 5. Let's look at this one. We have 6x plus 4 times negative 12, or 2x plus 21 equals negative 70. Okay, simplify. Bring the 6x down, and we have 8x, but how did we get that? Well, positive 4 times negative 2 is negative 8x, and 4 times 21 is 84, equals negative 70. Simplify. Here's a positive 6x minus negative 8x, so you have a negative 2x minus 84 equals negative 70. All right, simplify. We're going to add a positive to this side, so you have to add it over here. So 84 minus 70 is 14. Negative 2x divided into 14. Negative into a positive is a negative. So the answer here is negative 7. X is equal to negative 7. Well, we hope you did well on this, and we'd like to thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.